Kit Kat is a chocolate-covered wafer bar confection created by Rowntree's of York, United Kingdom, and is now produced globally by Nestle, which acquired Rowntree in 1988, with the exception of the United States, where it is made under license by H.B. Reese Candy Company, a division of the Hershey Company. The standard bars consist of 2 or 4 pieces composed of 3 layers of wafer, separated and covered by an outer layer of chocolate. Each finger can be snapped from the bar separately. There are many different flavors of Kit Kat, including milk, white, and dark chocolate. The original 4-finger version of the bar was developed after a worker at Rowntree's York factory put a suggestion in the recommendation box for a chocolate bar that a man could take to work in his pack-up. It was launched in September 1935 in the UK as Rowntree's Chocolate Crisp, and the later 2-finger version was launched in 1936. It was renamed Kit Kat Chocolate Crisp in 1937 and just Kit Kat after World War II. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.